The good thing about a rental house is it is affordable. It can be a perfect solution for those who have just moved out. Unfortunately, you cannot do many things with it, especially a home improvement project that may leave permanent impacts, like building another wall for privacy. Instead of building a new permanent wall, which can be pricey and your landlord will not like, you can try a room divider. It is a top-notch addition for those who have been longing for privacy, and if you're looking for an idea to design your rental house, check out these 10 partition wall designs for rental and cheap. For more details, head on to simphome.com. 10. Make a good deal. You can have a partition wall of standard quality with a good appearance at an average cost. If you're skilled enough to make a better deal, you may have the chance to get a lower price for the same high-quality materials. But sometimes, you want to build something that still looks good enough even with a lower cost, without neglecting its sturdiness. This partition, for example, is pretty simple, yet functional. It runs from one wall to the opposite but does not reach the ceiling. It even has a glass window that allows you to see who is in the adjacent room. Another fantastic thing is it features built-in shelves that you can use to display your books or knickknacks. If you want to access the adjacent room, you can slide the door. 9. Know your budget. When you want to divide lots of rooms, the budget is one of the many considerations. The wider the spaces, the higher the cost. Therefore, choosing what materials to use is among the many steps you should weigh first. There are bricks, wood, concrete wall, and many more. Those are some of the materials you can choose from. Wooden sheets make an excellent partition wall as they are wide, lightweight, and reasonably priced, depending on what type of wood sheet you pick. 8. A stunning folding partition wall idea. A folding partition wall is your next option for a cheap rental solution. It typically has more than 2 screens connected with hinges. It is lightweight so that you can move it easily to another room. This partition may not give you a lot of privacy, still, it will embellish the space in no time. You can use unused doors or fabric screens connected with hinges if you want something to block the view. But you can leave it the way it is if it doesn't bother you, since you may live with your partner who doesn't really ask for boundary setting or privacy. General instructions. Cut panels from the fabric of your choice. If you want to hang them on a rod, measure their width and divide by 2. Measure the space in which the rod should be placed. Cut about 1 space between the panels for the rod to be hung on it. 7. A multicolored partition wall idea. This partition wall is similar to the idea above. It is different because it has wheels, meaning you can move it more easily, although it may cause some noises when you pull it. This unique partition wall combines 3 doors with different colors that distinguish it from other doors or walls. When you decide to have the same partition wall idea, make sure that the wheels work properly. Otherwise, it would be a problem when opening or closing it. Give the wheels the proper maintenance to make them function right. 6. Let natural light come in. When you still need natural light to come into the room, installing a partition wall like this picture would help solve the problem of having a dark room. You can make it from wrought iron or bamboo. With bamboo, you could make a similar wall partition if you can find the material in your local area. You can design the patterns and the size of each screen. But with wrought iron, you may have to purchase from stores or order them from those who produce them unless you know how to make one. General instructions. Observe your surroundings, the location of the windows, the types of plants you have in your home, how light and bright your master bedroom is, etc. Consider how big you would want the screen to be. Decide on whether to use glass between each screen. 5. Use a see-through panel. This see-through panel should be everyone's favorite. It's easy to install, and it comes at an affordable price. Of course, if you look at stores, the price might surprise you, but you can make a DIY version, right? You can measure and cut pieces of wood. Assemble the cuts and screw, install the hinges and secure them. Next, put the glasses on each of the frames and secure them. As they have the same design and size, it would ease your work to cut or get the glasses. If you think glass panels are not practical for this DIY project, you can use another see-through material such as acrylic that's lightweight. 4. A beautiful wooden partition wall design idea. This partition would be perfect for a corner. Even if it's not, this idea is still really cool and worth trying. This cool partition needs a careful execution as you have to adjust it one by one. You can first draw a line to create a perfect semicircle before securing each board. You should also be aware of arranging the panels not too wide, otherwise kids can enter between the gaps and get stuck. If you want to cover it a little, you may put something in the middle of the partition. Give a sheet and follows the curve. That should make it less exposed. 3. IKEA Ivar rental hack. This idea comes from an IKEA hack using Ivar for separating the room. It had been a pale frame before it got stained with a dark color. Firstly, assemble the frame and join them with screws. Secondly, put the wallpaper you choose for it with double-sided tape. Then, install the Ivar post to the ceiling. Next, attach the frame to the post and wall and secure it. Use hooks and attach them to the ceiling, and that's it. Materials: 1 IKEA Ivar anchor post, 5 IKEA Ivar side, 2 sets of hook and eye screws, 1 meter long heavy-duty Velcro tape, 12 wood screws 7 centimeter long. 2. The bamboo curtains idea. This environmentally friendly divider is lightweight, functional, and pretty. Bamboo is indeed a versatile material that nature provides for you. You can turn it into almost anything related to furniture. Here it works as a curtain that divides the room. It makes an excellent partition wall, and it's known for its budget-friendly cost, not to mention its durability. As a result, bamboo has been prevalent throughout time. You can attach the rod to a ceiling or wall and hang the curtain or bamboo divider. You can also fasten the bottom part for peace of mind. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos, and let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. Lastly, number 1. Bring the beach vibes. The last picture has the kind of coastal vibes. It looks pretty when combined with a white color scheme. The partition wall has slightly crooked woods or branches that come at the same hue as the ceiling. That would be great if you could find the same wood used here. If you don't, you can try to use bamboo as a replacement. Then you can wrap it with toilet paper, glue it, and spray paint it. So, what do you think of our 10 fabulous partition wall designs that are perfect for rentals and easy on the wallet? Did the video spark a burst of creative ideas for improving your space? If so, share your thoughts in the comments. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you truly enjoyed it. Once again, feel free to comment or share it with anyone close to you on your social media accounts or email list. Lastly, we'll see you again soon with more videos like this in the near future. Until then, thanks for watching.